Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of output on the application of Zoom. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Zoom and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. In the end you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store, you can search about Zoom, and if you will find updates then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you.